Engineered for extreme exposure, the Amphenol PT Series delivers compact, high-density connectivity with rapid bayonet coupling, ideal for aerospace, harsh industrial environments, and military. Hi, I'm Karen James, Product Manager at PEI-Genesis. Today we're showcasing the Amphenol PT Series miniature circular connectors built for space-constrained, high-performance applications. Our PT Series is focused on industrial and commercial for typical applications in factory automation and robotics, industrial machinery and machine tools, rail and mass transit, energy and power systems, instrumentation and monitoring, communication and signaling, and oil, gas, and petrochemical. The PT Series is based on the MIL-DTL-26482 Series I spec. Its bayonet-style coupling ensures quick, secure mating even in challenging field conditions. Choose from PT with solder contacts, PT-SE for military-grade crimp contacts, or PT-CE, a cost-effective commercial crimp option. You'll find a full range of mounting styles and shell sizes to support everything from military radios and avionic panels to factory automation, available in a variety of finishes, including RoHS-compliant options. These connectors can be tailored to meet specific environmental and application requirements. The PT Series uses a lightweight aluminum shell with solder contacts and comes in 60 insert patterns. The PT-SE offers 47 insert patterns with stainless steel shells for military-grade crimp connections. And for a cost-effective option, the PT-CE also provides 47 insert patterns for commercial crimp needs. At PEI-Genesis, we build PT Series connectors to order with low to no minimum quantity requirements, perfect for prototyping, testing, or scaled production. And with one of the largest connector inventories in the world, we can ship most builds in as little as 48 hours. Compact, configurable, field-proven. The Amphenol PT Series connects your mission-critical systems with confidence. To configure your PT Series solution, visit PEIGenesis.com or contact our team. We'll help you get the right solution fast.